Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to apply an eyeliner in the most easiest way possible. No complications and nothing of that sort. So it's a short video, just 5 minutes, unlike my other 25-minute long videos. So yeah, I'm just going to show you how to easily apply an eyeliner on the go. It's not time consuming, it won't complicate your life, and it's basically very easy, and once you achieve it, your eyes are gonna look beautiful just like this. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just quickly jump into the video and draw eyeliners.
Let us look at the different products available in the market to draw an eyeliner. Firstly, we have the liquid eyeliners. Next, we have the eyeliner pen, which is more like a sketch pen. Then we have kajals, and lastly we have the gel eyeliners. So in this video I'm going to use the e.l.f's eyeliner pen to draw my eyeliner. First I'm going to start off by drawing the eyeliner very close to my lash line. I'm going to be a little careful in this step, and the trick is to keep the mirror down so that you can easily spot the lash line. Then I'm going to draw a line which connects my lower lash line and the end of my eyebrows, like draw straight a small line. Now I'm going to draw a straight line from the end of the wing to the middle of the eyeliner. Make sure that it looks like a triangle. Can you see there? So yeah, you have to just draw that and fill out the inside of the eyeliner. This is pretty much the eyeliner. After this point, you can maybe improvise it, extend the wing and clean up the eyeliner. As you can see, I'm trying to fill out that gap on the top portion of my eyeliner. So yeah, that's it. You've got a beautiful, simple and a sleek eyeliner.
So yeah guys, I hope you guys like this small tutorial on how to apply your eyeliner. It's very simple if you use a sketch pen like I showed in the video. All you have to do is just draw a simple line on your lash line and then draw a wing if you are comfortable. It's not like it's a mandatory with every look, and it differs from eye to eye, right? But I've just shown a very easy 3-step process for all kinds of eye shapes. So yeah, I hope this was useful, and if it was, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this with your friends. I'm sure they will need a little kickstart on how to apply their eyeliners. So yeah, also like this video, do not forget. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.